Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add Adobe fonts in Framer. Alright, let's begin. First, it's important to know that Adobe fonts cannot be downloaded and directly used in other apps. Adobe fonts are designed to work inside Adobe applications through Creative Cloud. However, if you want to use the same font in Framer, you can purchase the font from a font marketplace that sells the official font files. Once you purchase and download the font files, after that, open your Framer project and double-click on the text. On the side panel, look for the Fonts section. Click on it, then set this to Custom. Now, choose the option to upload a custom font. This will redirect you to your workspace settings. Here, click Upload again and select the font files you purchased, such as the OTF or TTF files. After the upload is complete, the font will become available in your Framer project. So that's basically how you can add Adobe fonts in Framer. That's it for this video. Thanks.